Hello everyone, let's learn to play and sing the ukulele at the same time. I'm going to give you some basic exercises for how to sing and play the ukulele at the same time. We'll also work on two very simple songs. The songs we're going to do are Twinkle Twinkle Little Star and Somewhere Over the Rainbow. I chose these songs because most people know these songs and they have basic rhythms that are easy to practice at the same time. Now make sure your ukuleles are tuned up. I have my little Snark tuner here that I clip on. I'm not sponsored by Snark, but it would be awesome if I was. I also have a strap here, which is super helpful for keeping the ukulele at the proper height. And one thing that's important about singing is having like an upright posture so that you get the best tone and the best airflow. Something that's important to understand is if you're singing and playing the ukulele, you're actually learning two instruments at the same time, and you might want to practice them separately before trying to do them at the same time. Let's just start strumming and get warmed up here. I'm just going to strum a C major with my thumb here. You can use your thumb or your fingers like this if you want, or a guitar pick, whatever works for you. These are just quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to choose one of the notes in this chord to sing, and I'm going to choose the C here. This lower C here, and we're gonna sing the syllable la, la. And so let's strum our ukulele again to the beat, and then we're just gonna match the rhythm with that la and that C there, la. So we'll go la, 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 la. The simplest way to sing and play at the same time is to just match the rhythm. So the ukulele, for example, here is doing quarter notes, and our voice is doing quarter notes. La, 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 la. If you have a higher voice, you can go to a higher note, like this E here. La, 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 la. Or you can even do that one way up there. I don't think I can hit that note. All right, now we're gonna keep playing quarter notes on the ukulele like this. But we're going to change the rhythm that we're singing. So the rhythm that we're singing isn't going to match exactly what the ukulele is doing. La, here we go. La, 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 la. 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 All right, so the ukulele was doing quarter notes, 1, 2, 3, 4, and our voice is doing 1, 2, 3, and 4. Those are 2/8 notes on beat 3. Now let's do la, 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 la. All right, pick your note out. La, 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 la. La, 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 la. Let's try another rhythm. This is going to be a half note, so it's going to be held for 2 beats and then 2 quarter notes like this. La, 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 la. So what you want to be able to do when you're starting out is to just play a steady rhythm on the ukulele. So it's keeping the beat for you like a metronome or a drum, and your voice is going to change the rhythms that are played on top of it. This independence between voice and the ukulele is kind of hard, and you might need to go really slow. You might not even be able to do it in tempo. There are just a lot of rhythms that you can sing and play at the same time. So that's why you want to start with a basic rhythm here before trying to do something like this, or like the Riptide thing. If this video is helpful for you, please give it a thumbs up. When I first started playing music, I was about 14 years old. I had sang as a child in choirs, so singing was familiar to me, although not at any like professional level at all. But then I started playing guitar when I was 14, and I fell in love with some of the grunge bands back in the 90s, especially Nirvana. And I remember the first song that I learned to play was a song called About a Girl. I remember sitting in my bedroom playing this song on my guitar for hours. It was in the summertime, and I was just working out the coordination for how to sing it and play it at the same time. Now let's learn to sing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. This is just going to be the first part of it, and I'm going to purposely sing higher in my range because I realize that a lot of the people that watch my videos are children. But you can actually sing lower if you change the key of the song. I can't really get into that in this video because it would take too long to explain, but just know that you can play the same song 12 different ways, and that's why you see people using a capo, because it allows them to raise the key of the song to match their voice. So the chords to Twinkle Twinkle Little Star are C major, F major, and G major. And we're going to start on that C again that we were singing before, right, when we were doing those exercises. And we're just going to start with a steady beat like this, and just see if you can follow along. Maybe choose to follow along with the ukulele first to learn the chords, or you can sing first, whatever works for you. Here we go. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. So it's twinkle, twinkle, F major, little, back to C major, star, back to F major, how I, back to C major, wonder, G major, what you are. This one's good because our voice matches the exact rhythm of the strumming pattern on the ukulele, which again is quarter notes. Let's try that again. Here's our note. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. There is more to that song, but we're not going to learn it in this lesson. Now we're going to do Over the Rainbow, and this song is in the key of F. It's usually in the key of C, actually. That's the famous ukulele version, but I would either have to sing really low or really high. So I'm going to change the key to sing sort of in the middle, which might match more people that are using this video for learning. So the chords we're going to play are F major, C major, and B flat. Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high, there's a land that I heard of once in a lullaby. So our ukulele, again, is playing quarter notes, and it's sort of the anchor for the song. It's carrying the beat, and our voice is a little bit all over the place. It's an amazing melody, actually. So if we were to just rehearse the chords, we would start on F, somewhere, and then C major, over the rainbow, B flat, way up, F major, high, B flat, there's a F major, land that I heard of, C major, once in a lullaby, F major, bye. So our voice is starting on an F here, and then it goes, where? It's a really big jump. I think that's an octave jump there. So let's go through it slowly together, playing and singing. Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high, there's a land that I heard of once in a lullaby. Something to consider is that you're not going to be able to focus equal energy on both your voice and playing the ukulele. You're going to have to focus more attention on one of them. So therefore that means, like, if you're focusing your attention mostly on your voice, that you're going to just have to be able to play the ukulele part without really thinking about it. So yeah, you're learning two instruments at the same time, and good for you for doing that. By the way, if you're a child or you have children or grandchildren, I have books for learning the ukulele, the guitar, and the piano. You can check them out here on my Shopify site. So this lesson just covers like the basics for how to start playing ukulele and singing at the same time. And we're just working on basic coordination, but we haven't really talked about any actual technical stuff for like how to play the ukulele or the best vocal techniques. A couple of general tips though for your voice is you want to breathe from your diaphragm, okay? You want to breathe low down here. So when you breathe in, you actually want your belly to kind of stick out and expand. You don't want to breathe from your chest. You don't want to breathe up here because you'll take very shallow breaths and you won't have much support for the voice. If you breathe up high, you want to breathe low. And there are just so many ways to improve your voice, especially with vowel placement. You kind of have to visualize things with the voice because you can't see it like we can see our fingers here when we're playing the ukulele.